Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a file that you have created in Onshape and prepare it for sending to the 3D printer. So let's say this is a part that I've created for my car and I want to send it to the 3D printer. First thing I have to do is export it, so I'm going to come down to the tab itself, which you may have renamed to indicate what it is. I'm going to right click on it, however you right click on your device, and I am going to come up to export. You may remember this step from when we were doing our story piece files. So I'm going to go to export. I'm going to change the file name to, say this is a ball hitch, and I'm going to put my name on it. So I'm going to say what it is, and I'm going to have my name. If you click this drop down menu, you've got a lot of different options. For your format, you want to go to the very bottom and click STL. That's the kind of file that our laser cutter, or excuse me, that our 3D printer reads. STL format binary, that's fine. Your units need to match the units in your document. So change that to millimeters. That's also how the 3D printer will read it. Resolution medium, that's fine. Options download. Then hit OK. And that is the file that you are going to upload to the Google form in the next step. So now you have prepared your file for sending to the 3D printer.